Hi there, students. Buxom. Okay, buxom is an adjective. Um, Buxom talks about somebody who has a full, voluptuous figure. So voluptuous. It means they're rather fat, on the fat side. And buxom particularly also means that they've got large breasts. Okay, so notice this word buxom. It particularly applies to women. There was a picture of him standing next to his buxom wife. Buxom, healthily plump, an ample figure. Let's see, several generations ago, buxom women were in fashion, but now being thin is the fashion. Yeah, you've got to be incredibly thin. So buxom, it's talking about a woman. She's very healthy, she's slightly fat, and she has large breasts. So she's busty, she's curvaceous. Yeah, she's curvy. I think you could even use zaftig as well in this, but that's an American one. Okay, so buxom, a full figure, but with large breasts. So he arrived with a buxom brunette. I'm told that he rather likes buxom women. He has a penchant for buxom women. So she was a buxom, warm, friendly woman. Yeah, vigorously healthy on the fat side, but specifically with large breasts as well. Okay, so the idea of buxom women in the deep past used to be a very positive thing. I think this is from the idea that if you are well fed and like this, then you are very healthy, and the two things go together. Okay, so a buxom middle-aged lady. Yeah, I quite like buxom women. They look very nice. Okay, so buxom, having a full figure. I think this word voluptuous is a very good synonym. Bosomy, curvaceous, well endowed, shapely, voluptuous, comely. Comely's a good word as well. So Susan was a tall, buxom redhead. Okay, this is the opposite of thin, svelte, slender. Yeah. Shapely, curvaceous. But notice, if you call somebody buxom, this is a very positive phrase to use. Let's see, buxom, formality. I think this word's probably a bit old-fashioned. I'm going to give it a 5.5 to a 6 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere, but it is a little bit old-fashioned, which puts it a little bit on the more formal side. I guess you could have an adverb. She was buxomly built. Her buxomness, the noun for the quality, made her extremely attractive. Yeah. Her buxomness was one of her beautiful qualities. Okay, now what about origin? Well, we have an Old English word, buxom, meaning bendy, pliant, and I think the idea of this buxom is something that you can bend easily, and if you're on the large side like me, then you are quite easy to bend. From Proto-West Germanic, beugsam, meaning to bend, to bow at the waist, or to bend. Yeah, some still. Okay, so that's the idea. Something flexible and flexible and pliant. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Buxom.